In order to promote the sports culture in Karbi Anglong, the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council distributes sports goods to sub-association under the Karbi Anglong Sports Association. The 24th edition of Wangla Festival comes to an end. The 3 days long festival was started from 5th of November and concluded last night at Nopakhat Playground here in Karbi Anglong. And the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council announced the portfolios of 17 persons who will be taking up the chairman of different departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kat News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. My name is Arim Tiso, and now the news in details. The District Sports Office organized sports good distribution to sub-association under Karbi Anglong Sports Association. The event was carried out this morning at indoor stadium of Karbi Anglong Sports Association here on Friday. The Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, also the President of the Karbi Anglong Sports Association, Mr. Turiram Ronghang, handed over the sports facilities and in aid of Rs 50,000 to sub-association under Karbi Anglong Sports Association. The 24th edition of Wangla Festival comes to an end. Meanwhile, the 3 days long festival was started from 5th of November and concluded last night at Nopakhat Playground here in Karbi Anglong. The folk dances from different communities were reported to have been performed. The beauty contests as Miss Wangla were also carried out, and where Islani Marak won the title and Ilma Marak grabbed the Mr. Wangla title. Alright, so let's have a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but don't go anywhere. Lots more coming up on the other side right after this break.
Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand. An offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council announced the portfolios of 17 persons who will be taking up the posts of chairman in different departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The Editor-in-Chief of Thekar Arni Wang, Long Sing Teron, is now appointed as the chairman of Karbi Language Development Board, and former Deputy Speaker of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Kangjang Terang, has been appointed as the chairman of Panchayat and Rural Development Board. There's report. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council announced the portfolios of 17 persons who will be taking up the post of chairman in different departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. MSc Tar Singh Ronghang is to chair the Land and Settlement Advisory Board. MSc Richard Tompi as a Forest Development Board. MSc Mukut Mahanta as the Water Resources and Irrigation Board Chairman. Seema Rohangpi as the Chairperson of Women's Commission. Richard Hamse as Board of Development Board. Detolal Hasnu as the Veterinary and Livestock and Dairy Development Board. Sikha Silpi Charang as the Tourism Development Chairman. Pengbika Rengma as the Sports and Youth Welfare Chairman. Bida Singh Teron as the Medical Advisory Board. Man Singh Teron as the Karbi Custom Reformation Board Chairman. Jody Timung as the Gimfed Board Chairman. Ren Singh Ronghang as PHE Board Chairman. Sarso Tiso as the Block Development. The Chief Editor of Thekar Arniwang, Long Singh Teron as the Karbi Language Development Board Chairman. Mr. Kangjang Terang as the Panchayat and Rural Development Board. That's the wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Jonali Timung P is bringing you the prime time here on Cut News Channel. Do stay with us.